Want passive income in 2025? I'm UF, a certified financial planner, and podcasting literally changed my life. Don't miss this bonus tip inside. Hello everyone. I'm UF, a certified financial planner with over 10 years guiding clients to financial freedom. Podcasting is a passive goldmine in 2025. Low effort, high reward. I'll share my journey, unique hacks for India, US, and Vietnam viewers, and a bonus to maximize gains. Ready to earn while you sleep? Let's go. I'm sure 2025's hustle culture burns you out. Active jobs are dominating. Example, Priya, an Indian worker needing $400 per month passively. And John, a US dad seeking $2,500 extra. A 2025 study shows 70% lack passive streams. I also struggled too, but podcasting fixed that. Comment below. How much passive income do you want? Your time is a leaking bucket. Podcasting seals it with passive cash. Niche sponsorships are first. Target specific listeners and earn. I host a pet care podcast, making $12,000 yearly on Buzzsprout with local brands. Pick a unique topic, record 10 episodes and pitch sponsors. Don't skip this. Untapped niches are up as high as 30% in 2025 per Libsyn. I secured a $1,000 per month deal. Priya earns $300 per month. Ignore it and miss a growing market. Priya's up by $3,600 a year from niche sponsors. Don't let this opportunity fade. Automated editing is next. Save time and earn passively. I use Descript to edit my finance podcast, making $2,500 passively every month. Upload raw audio, let AI cut silences, and publish. Don't overlook this. Automation cuts 50% of editing time in 2025. I reclaim 10 hours per week. John earns $800 every month. Ignore it and stay stuck in active work. John's $9,600 in a year is from automated editing. Don't miss this efficiency. NFT listener rewards are third. Offer digital perks. I create NFT badges on OpenSea for my history podcast, earning roughly $1,500 every month. Record episodes, mint NFTs, and reward loyal fans. Don't skip this. NFTs in audio are up by 20% in 2025, according to NFT Now. I boosted retention. Priya earns $400 per month. Ignore it and miss a digital edge. Priya's $4,800 in a year from NFT rewards. Don't let this trend pass. Localized ads are fourth. Tap regional businesses. I partnered with Indian tea brands for my travel podcast. This earned me $2,000 per month on Patreon. Research local markets, pitch ads, and record. Don't overlook this. Local ads also grew 15% in 2025, according to IAB. I doubled revenue. John earns $600 per month. Ignore it and miss a tailored income stream. John's $7,200 in a year is from localized ads. Don't let this slip. Here's your passive income plan. 1. Niche sponsorships. Start on Buzzsprout. Pitch local brands. This was my $12K per year start. 2. Automated editing. Use Descript, save time. John's $9,600 win. 3. NFT rewards. Mint on OpenSea, reward fans. Priya's $4,800 gain. 4. Localized ads. Target regional sponsors on Patreon. John's $7,200 payoff. 5. Track with PodTrack for growth bonus tip. I repurpose episodes into YouTube Shorts, adding $500 a month. Try it. What's your podcast niche? Share below. Download my free passive podcast guide in the description. Like, subscribe to Money Pulse, and comment your plan. Let's earn passively together.